That breaking news tonight involves a stunning breach of Supreme Court confidentiality. Politico has obtained what it calls a draft of a majority opinion that would strike down Roe versus Wade.
Yes, Stacey Spanos is joining us in the newsroom now with what this could mean for abortion rights in our nation. Stacey.
Kent, Mary, Politico says after an extensive review process, they have authenticated the draft of a majority opinion written by Justice Samuel Alito. The draft was circulated in early February, according to Politico, and it suggests the court would overturn Roe v. Wade's holding of a federal constitutional right to an abortion. That means each state would decide its own abortion policy. Now, draft options can change, and the ruling will not be finalized until published, and that's expected to be in the next few months. The opinion would be the most consequential abortion decision in decades and would transform the landscape of women's reproductive health in America. Mary, Kent, back to you.
All right, thank you, Stacey. So News4JAX political analyst Rick Mullaney is joining us right now by phone.
So, Rick, what do you make of all of this? Early drafts have never, in our day at least, been released before the big announcement, correct?
Mary, it really is unprecedented to have a leak of this kind, not in Congress, not in general, but certainly in the Supreme Court.
No.
It's unprecedented to have a leak like this one. Is it legitimate? Hard to say, but it appears to be in a legitimate draft. And you have to speculate as to why someone would do it, but probably someone who does not like the opinion and wants to either change it or wants there to be a reaction to it.
There's certainly some reaction coming. That's for certain. It's shocking tonight. There are excerpts from the draft opinion, and they include some very strong comments on the original Roe versus Wade case. Also calls it the inescapable conclusion to overturn Roe v. Wade. So, Rick, if it was so flawed, how could it stand for almost 50 years?
Well, this has been a strong disagreement between conservatives and liberal justices for a half century. And remember, even if this is a legitimate draft, it is a draft, and language changes, and historically, votes can change. And so this could be an early draft with some fairly long string language that could change over time. But can't make no mistake, this is an emotional issue, and the justices have been sharply divided on it for half a century.
We don't expect the published or formal opinion until the end of June or even in July. So what's the process in the Supreme Court where this would be written back in February?
Typically, Mary, they will draft a draft opinion. They'll circulate it among the justices. You may see language change. You may see votes change. And that's happened a number of times in the history of the court. The final opinion isn't due until June or so. So this is a February draft that could potentially have changed, but now it's very hard to predict what happens next because this has been leaked in this way.
Yeah. So this just come out in the last hour and a half or so. Rick Mullaney, we appreciate your thoughts on this and the kind of instant analysis. Rick is going to be joining us again tomorrow on the morning show to talk more about this developing story that's scheduled for 7:15 tomorrow.